Hi viewers, today I am going to make a review on Airmail Wality 71J model eyedropper model fountain pen. And if you see, the total length of the pen comes around 154 millimeter, right? So if you take a scale, and you can see it comes around 154 millimeter. So in this view you can best understand. Yeah, right. It protrudes 4 mm above 150 mm mark. Okay, right. And the diameter of the grip area is around 11 mm. There is a taper from 13 mm to 11 mm. Okay, this pen is best suited for big finger people, right? So let me check on the writing. So wait a minute. I will show you how to remove this uh, feeder and nib. Just to take a waste cloth and hold this nib and feeder like this, and gently rotate and pull apart, so you can take the nib and feeder out, right? So you need to have a dedicated toothbrush for this, and you clean this feeder area whenever you fill ink, because once you fill this ink in this pen, and then it will last for you for 2 weeks. So normally these dye based inks, not only our brand, most of the brands in India and in many countries, they use dye based inks. So it is better to remove the sediments whenever you fill the ink twice in a month. Okay, so you will get a good flow. For fine nib pens in the feeder, the fountain section will be very smaller. So for low viscous inks will only work. High viscous inks will not work because of the flow, interruption in the flow. So if you are using high viscous inks, please rework this fountain by using some blade or something and increase the depth. Just scratch it and dig it, and you take out the material slowly and patiently. Don't spoil too much, otherwise you will get more flow. So the best ideal choice is to use low viscous inks, and in our ink we have two formula. One is for this fine nib pens, and another one is for medium nib pens. Okay, and for inserting, you just simply press the nib and feeder together. Okay, but ensure there is sufficient gap between this tip of the feeder and tip of the nib, or else you will get more flow, and it will spoil the paper once you fill. Just I am dipping and writing, and let us see how it feels. Yeah, it is writing very smoothly. And see, whenever you fill ink, please apply Vaseline in this thread area. This is a normal good practice for all eyedropper model pens, whether it is plastic or whether it is ebonite. You can increase the life of the threads. So a few good tips I am sharing with you to increase the life of this pen. Okay, thank you viewers.